Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rahmat Syabani Abbas, Class A, Semester 1. In this video, I will present the material I made about literal translation to fulfill English course assessment with the teaching lecturer Dr. Ashrafani, SPD, MPD. Okay, let's go into the presentation. Definition: literal translation. According to Neumark, literal translation is often assessing the initial translation process which aims to show the problem must be solved. In this translation, the grammatical structure is changed closely purpose with an equivalent in the target language without consider the context. Meanwhile, according to Hurtad Albir, literal translation is more akin to rearranging words in place equivalent because it really pays attention to the original text in the source language in number of words, arrangement, and sequence of sentence. Next, literal translation method. In the translation method, the translation only change the structural material. Source language text becomes target language text, but sentence and the language style in the source language remains the same as in the target language without experience change. The literal translation method certainly also has advantage and disadvantage like. The advantage is that readers of the translation results can read and enjoy the writing style as created by the original author because of the method. Literal translation tries to maintain the original meaning and from grammatical structure of the source language. Use of this translation method also reduce irregularities in the translation process because this method searches for equivalent in the source language word by word when it is adjusted to the grammatical structure of the target language. Text so that readers of the translation will more easily understand the meanings. Meanwhile, the downside is that sometimes the results of the translation are impressive, stiff because the translation is faithful to the source language text while the form on the sentence structure follows the target language, and something to forget, resulting in a poor level of acceptance. Okay, that is the end of my video. That is the end of my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.